Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to add WhatsApp link to Facebook profile. So for this you will have to open the Facebook app and you will have to just click to the top right corner of profile icon, and again you will have to just click to this your username profile, and here is the edit profile button, and you will have to scroll down in the last, and here is the links. You will have to just add link. You will just select the social link platform. From here you can just select the WhatsApp, and I will write my contact number. I will hide due to privacy. So it's and just example to teach you. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.